First, we have an array which is 202110. Then we have a 2-pointer. P0 is 0 and current is 0. Then the P0 is 0, which means the rightmost boundary of the 0, which is start from 0. And the third pointer, P2, which is the length of the lambda minus 1, which is the last element of the array. It is indicates the leftmost boundary of the 2. So all the elements inside it must be 2. So let's consider the situation when we in the execution of our algorithm, let's say 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. So the index less than P0, which is all the names, the index is 0. And for the odd element in the right side of the P2, which is the index greater than P2, this time the names are the index, which is all of them is 2. Let's try to run the test case in the algorithm. First, we have a 3-pointer, but in this situation, the names occur is 2, which meet our first condition. Then we just swap the element, names occur and names at P2, and then after that, we just decrement the P2 from index 5 to 4. So we get 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, but this time it meets our second condition, which is names occur is 0. So this time we just swap the element, names occur and names at P0. Then we increment these 2 pointer, P0 and cur. These 2 pointer increment from 0 to index 1. And then we should remember this should under the more macroscopic view, which is while the cur pointer is less than or equal to P2. We still get 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, and it still meets our second condition, which is names occur is 0, and we still swap it, names occur and P0, which is still didn't change because they are the same. Then we still move the pointer, increment the P0 and the cur from index 1 to index 2. So it is still 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, but this time the names occur is pointer at 2, which is meet our first condition. So we just swap names occur and names at P2. Then we just decrement the point P2 from index 4 to index 3. So we get 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. This is our else condition because the names occur is neither equal to 2 nor 0. So we just do one thing, which is increment the current pointer from 2 index to 3. So we still have 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, and the names occur is pointed at 1, which is neither 0 or 2, so which is else condition. So this time we only increment the cur pointer, move from index 3 to index 4, which is greater than P2. So which is not meet the condition of the cur is less than or equal to P2. So we have to break. So I get our final result is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Because we only use the constant space and didn't use any extra space, so the space complexity is O of 1. And about the time complexity, because the length of the names is n, which is 6 times 1 pass, so the time complexity is O of n time.